AI and automation can only be mastered with right guidance and support. That's why we have our school. Here you learn everything about AI and automation from basics to advanced. By then, you will be able to start an AI agency of your own, and don't worry, we'll give you all the resources. Let me introduce you to the real MVP, Master AI Automation. This AI club is a tech community where you can learn about AI and automation. But this is not like one of those boring online courses you have taken. Here we build automation systems that solve real-world problems. I'm Jahar, founder of M Square Automation. We specialize in AI automation using tools like Make.com and N8. We have helped over 1,000 companies with automation systems, and we are proud platinum partners of the best no-code AI platform, Make.com. I have over 8 years of experience working in this automation field. Now I'm using my expertise to help people like you grow with AI automation. In our AI club, we make learning addictive, just like a video game. You join the club as a beginner, you attend the live sessions and one-on-one calls with me and Fasil. The whole structure of the program is designed to keep you addicted, and in a few months, you will be an automation expert. Then you can start an AI agency of your own, and that's why we have white labeled automation services. That's right, you can build and sell your own branded automation solutions without writing a single line of code or hiring a tech team. We will provide all the resources, tech team, lead management tool, and mentors. Now you literally have everything to start an AI agency. What are you waiting for? Join the AI club now.